If you apply for JAMB 2026 and by now you don't know how to have access to your JAMB profile, or perhaps you don't have the password, or maybe you used a wrong email, and as a result of that, you are not able to log into your JAMB profile. First and foremost, you need to know the importance of JAMB profile. JAMB profile or your JAMB portal is where everything happens as regards your admission. If you can't have access to it, that simply means you cannot even monitor how admission process will work for you. So you definitely need to have access to it. So I'm going to suggest few things you can do to be able to get access to your JAM profile, even if you used the wrong email. Now, the first thing is when you discover that you use a wrong email, the logic just simply means you have to create that wrong email so you can have access to that email, because this email you have used wrongly, but then you can make it active. So immediately you do that and you have been able to create the wrong email, just reset your JAM password. You go to your JAM facility portal and put that email there and you reset. JAM will automatically send your new password to you. Now, there are some situations where you are trying to create the so-called wrong email and someone else has taken it or is being used by someone else. Not to worry. So you are sending a particular information to 55019. So you type 55019, then you send password space the email address that is wrong. That simply means the wrong email address that you used on your JAM portal. That is what you are putting here. It is not a correct email. The same email that is exactly on your JAM portal, even if it is wrong, that is what you are putting here, because you are wanting to put an email that is already recognized on JAM portal. So once you do that, you send it. The expectation is you're going to get a revert back of your password. Try it out and check the facility portal if it is active and if it is working. If it is working, good for you. And I used to get several response back from students that they tried it, it's not working, and they are not responding to them. And or the first thing is you will be debited. If you are debited, definitely you should know that the process already works for you. You just need a response and you have to wait, right? And if you wait and you didn't get a response, it could be technical glitch. You have to keep trying till you get a response, right? And finally, if you don't have access to your SIM, the email you're trying to create or the wrong email is being used, I'm sorry, you have to always go to a CBD center to monitor your admission process, because CBD center will not need a password to have access to your portal. They only need your registration number. I hope this really helps. If it does, you want to share with your friends or you want to share with someone that wrote JAM this year. And the most important thing about all is you securing admission this year. I mean, of what uses your JAM results if you cannot use it to secure admission? And that is why FOBAC has created a 19-minute video to help you understand how admission process works and to give you some hints on what you need to do to ensure that this year you would gain admission. All you need to do to get this free video is just reply in the comment section, shoot us a message via DM. We are going to send you a number to reach out to us, where we are going to share the link to get access to the 19-minute video. Remember, FOBAC always got you covered. If you don't like this one, you want to be seeing on our timeline, remember to save, share, and follow for more.